Alright, here's my other GSL I'm going to be selling here in a minute. It's been sitting for a while. Let's see how well it starts up. Always seems to start on one rotor after it sits for a while, and it took a lot of pumps to get it to start. According to the maintenance records, the car has been rebuilt, but I don't really buy it. I really feel like this is a carb issue. Unless it's low on compression on one rotor and it has a seal that's getting stuck after sitting for a while and it takes a minute to fire up. I honestly don't know. Cop shop. That's the fun thing about RX-7s. I'm doing 30. I can't get pulled over for that. What the fuck? Hell yeah. Alright, this is the front rotor on my 84 GSL. Rear rotor, 84 GSL. Okay, so today I got to pull the motor out of the brown GSL. I found out it's got about 70 compression, 75, 80 compression on both rotors. So I have this motor over here out of that gray GSL, the 83 that I just sold. So I'm about to swap that in. Hopefully today I should have it running. So yeah, just wanted to do a little update what I'm working on today. Hoping to be able to drive this car today, so. Alright, let's see if we got fuel pump. Maybe put the right key in the ignition first. I hear fuel pump. First try. Okay, got the swap done on the GSL. It's having some carburetor issues, so unfortunately it is running on one rotor. Best I can tell, it's not getting fuel in the rear fuel bowl, so we need to figure that out. The other motor had low compression, I believe on the front rotor, but I'm kind of thinking this carb has had issues running for a while, and that's probably why that engine was low on compression. It only had 77,000 miles. I can't really imagine why it would be low, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a couple more tries, tinker with it another 20 minutes or so, probably before I'm done for the day, and see if I can determine whether this fuel bowl is actually filling up or not. Probably have to stick the camera back here with the light on, because you sure can't see anything without the light on. But yeah, that one sure looks like it's got some fuel in it. I think that one's a little too full. So anyways, I'm going to figure this out and I will update, hopefully when I get it running on both rotors when it starts. And I guess, just to show you, if you were curious, let me see here, I would like to plug these back in. Easier said than done with one hand. Because I know someone's going to say something. Oh, you're low on coolant. No, I'm not low on coolant. I just don't have this plugged in yet. So, bear with me for a second. Come on. I'm going to pause this while I plug this in. Alright, so here's what a rotary sounds like when it runs on one rotor. We're getting any fuel on that rear bowl, so I'm gonna check that out real quick. Alright, well, I can't see the camera, but shake the car. I don't think there's fuel on that one at all. I got a bad exhaust gasket and I had to swap to the Weber, but